There are common foods that you could be eating can potentially be damaging your liver without even you knowing about it. Here is a truth that no one will tell you. Your liver, unfortunately, doesn't ask for help until it's too late. But the good news is you can keep your liver cleansed, regenerated naturally without taking any tablets, detoxes, gimmicks, all these online products, waste of money, and sometimes they can be harmful to your gut. I am Dr. Yogananda Reddy. I am a UK trained gastroenterologist. Today I will reveal 8 top foods that support your liver's natural cleansing and regeneration process. Some of these you will already have it in your own home kitchen. Liver in our body is like a processing unit. It's like an engine. It detoxes everything, right from alcohol, from the toxins what we ingest from the environment. It processes nutrients. It can help regulate hormones. But repeated exposure to sugar, alcohol, processed foods, junk foods, various medicines can start causing damage to the liver because it is repeatedly overwhelming it. Unlike our stomach and our intestines or the skin, where you have a scratch or if you get an upset, you will feel it straight away. But the liver doesn't tell you it's in trouble until it's late. So we need to prevent liver damage. That is the key. Let us look at the top foods that can actually help liver cleanse and regenerate itself without the need to take any kind of medicines. Firstly, cruciferous vegetables. Vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, cabbage, Brussels sprout. These are high fiber vegetables, but they are good for the gut. These vegetables, they also boost the liver's detox enzymes, especially glutathione, which helps in neutralizing these toxins, anything that can harm the liver. So they help metabolize excess of estrogen, which is also important for hormonal balance. Secondly, which is very common in our country, is taking lemon water. Starting your day with a large glass of water, first thing in the morning with half a lemon squeezed in, it can help improve the bile production, digest the fats, remove waste. It's not going to be a miracle detox which will do everything on its own, but by having it regularly, it can give you a boost to the metabolism. It can also help support your liver. Thirdly, which every Indian household has it, garlic. Garlic is fantastic. It has been used as a medicine for centuries. It contains sulfur compounds that can activate the liver enzymes. It also contains the mineral selenium that can boost the antioxidant activity. So berries like blueberries, blackberries, cranberries, if you want to go with our Indian version of that kala jamun, which is Indian blackberry, pomegranates. These are loaded with this good stuff called anthocyanins. This can reduce the irritation, inflammation in the liver. It can improve the immune response in the liver. Various animal studies have shown that it can significantly slow down even the scarring in the liver, what we call in the medical terms as fibrosis. Curcumin. Curcumin is the active compound in turmeric. Turmeric, of course, is very common in our Indian dishes that's used on a daily basis. So this curcumin enhances, it can improve the glutathione production, and this in turn can help reduce the inflammation in the liver. If you want to add a little bit of black pepper, that is also fantastic to boost the further absorption of curcumin that's in the turmeric. Next is avocados. Avocados are rich in healthy fats and antioxidants. They protect liver from the overload of toxins. It can even help repair some of the liver damage. Although they are fatty, they are good fats. So they are what we call as essential fats that we need. So even if you have fatty liver disease, you can still eat avocados because these are healthy fats. The other, which I get commonly asked in my practice, is what oil is best. If you're going to use a small amount of extra virgin olive oil on your salads or just to flavor the food, this is fantastic. This can help the liver enzymes improve. It's also a fantastic way of improving the accumulation of fat in the liver. So especially for people with non-alcohol fatty liver disease, extra virgin olive oil is fantastic choice. And lastly, coffee. Yes, believe it or not, many studies have shown that coffee reduces the risk of scarring, fibrosis, the progression of liver disease. It can help lower the liver enzymes. So the blood tests, what you measure, SGOT, SGPT, this ALT, AST levels, this can bring down the level of these liver enzymes. It has a reducing effect on this. And it also has got antioxidant effects, but make sure it is black coffee. So don't put a lot of cream, sugar, or full fat milk. 1 or 2 cups in a day is ideal, and especially for those who are having gastric issues, better to consume that small cup of black coffee after you have eaten some breakfast and not on an empty stomach, because it can cause irritation, aggravate your acidity, and also reflux. For those people who don't like coffee, you're not obligated to drink. Along with these foods, what I mentioned, if you can have regular physical activity, your liver can not only be kept strong naturally, but can also repair some of the damage it might already have. Please subscribe to this educational channel for more digestive health updates. Thank you.